This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the watch has sufficient power. Low battery can interrupt a reset. Once charged above 50%, make sure sync data is backed up to your phone or account because factory reset erases local info. Next, wake the watch and swipe to open settings. Tap System or Device Options immediately. This is where the reset controls live. You do this now to avoid wasting time navigating after data removal. Make sure Bluetooth is stable while preparing, so paired phone settings stay intact. You will now execute the reset command. In Settings, choose System, then disconnect and reset or reset. Terminology varies by model. Tap Factory Reset and read the warning. This removes accounts and data. Confirm by tapping Erase All or Reset, then accept any secondary prompts. This prevents accidental restores. Once the process starts, the watch will reboot and display progress. Do not press buttons repeatedly or disconnect power during the operation, because interrupting can corrupt firmware and require recovery steps. After the reset, the watch finishes booting and shows initial setup. You should pair to your phone and, if possible, restore backups from the companion app. Once paired, check apps and settings to confirm a clean state. If the watch hangs on the logo or setup screen, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a reboot. That often clears temporary faults. If it still fails, boot into recovery mode or contact support. This is necessary when firmware update or hardware faults block normal startup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.